So this is little True guarding the house. And what's your name again? True, do you like cookies? Cookies. True. Woof. What, is it your birthday? How old are you? 12? You're 12 years old? Oh, you're so smart. You're just so, and you're so good looking. Are you the best looking dog I know? Oh, you're so smart. Oh, you're so smart. Who's the best looking guy you know? Me? Come on. No more barks? What happened, Drew? Oh, I know. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Oh, we like pets. Do you have a nice pet today? You want to say hello to Jack, the world's best dog? Oh, you saying hi to Jack? Okay, good. Okay, good boy.